Yeah, and I mean, if you saw what happened with Twitter after they got inducted into the S&P 500, that was a great short-term catalyst and kind of took off. So I think that could be an underrated short-term catalyst for Tesla.
And, just for the people watching who are maybe a little bit less informed about what that means, it's basically a structural inclusion in this huge group of stocks that a massive amount of institutional capital, mutual funds, index funds all have to start acquiring Tesla. So I'm curious, do you have any back of the napkin numbers on what type of volume or what type of, are we talking a couple $1 billion, a couple percent of the company? Is it 5, 10%?
I've read a little bit about it. Haven't done any firsthand research into it, but from what I've seen, maybe 5 to 10% seems to be kind of what people would expect, which I know doesn't seem huge, but I think that would probably add a lot of stability to Tesla too, because you then have, essentially a long-term shareholder in all of those index funds that are coming in and owning Tesla. So I think it would provide a little bit more of a floor and stability to the stock that we definitely haven't really seen as of late, which would be a big benefit.
Yeah, those institutions that are trying to mimic the S&P 500. Right. So even during bad times, they would still, they buy it initially to reflect that index, and then they don't sell even if things get tough. And that multiplied with how many people are betting against Tesla that are short Tesla, and that could be a double,
right.
a double boost.
Yeah.